Wiggles and Coco, a tale of true friendship. Once upon a time, in a lush green garden, there lived a curious little worm named Wiggles and a colorful caterpillar named Coco. Wiggles spent his days burrowing through the soil, while Coco enjoyed munching on leaves and exploring the branches of the trees. One sunny day, Wiggles and Coco crossed paths for the first time. At first, they were unsure of each other, as they were so different in appearance and habits. But as they started talking, they realized they had a lot in common. They both loved nature, enjoyed exploring new places, and had a strong sense of curiosity. As they spent more time together, Wiggles and Coco discovered that their differences actually made their friendship stronger. Wiggles taught Coco about the importance of digging tunnels and aerating the soil, while Coco showed Wiggles how to climb trees and see the world from a different perspective. One day, a storm hit the garden, and Wiggles found himself trapped in a flooded tunnel. Coco, with her strong legs and vibrant colors, rushed to his rescue. She used her silk threads to create a lifeline for Wiggles to climb out of the tunnel safely. From that day on, Wiggles and Coco became inseparable friends. They learned that true friendship knows no boundaries, and that by embracing each other's differences, they could overcome any obstacle together. And so, the worm and the caterpillar continued to explore the garden, sharing their adventures and spreading the message of friendship and unity to all the creatures they met along the way. The end. Did you love our story today? I'd love to know who's your best friend and what makes your friendship special. Tell me all about it. Until next time, Teacher Dorina here.